Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading natin for Libra ito, no? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader, ha? Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, this is for the sign of Libra. Let's start our reading. Okay, Libra. Love reading to, guys. Kung gusto mo ng money, yan, yung mga ganon career, meron ako special na video para doon. I-check mo na lang sa sa channel. Yung almost daily ko kasi I love. Sana i-follow mo rin ako sa sa TikTok. Nagsho-show ako nagsishare ako ng mga videos diyan. Ayan, na maaaring magustuhan mo. Summer is here and you do have here thoughts. Okay. You do have here projections. This is, with the picture here, it's like a mirror and reflection. Yung reflection is, when you look at the mirror, ang makikita mo yung sarili mo, mga paligid mo, yung kung ano lang yung mga nasa likod mo, or nasa paligid mo, no? And yourself, of course, ang pinaka-importante. And this is you na nag-focus ka sa growth mo sa sarili mo. This is you na ang iniisip mo, ano pa bang mas makakapagpaganda pa sa akin? Hindi lang physically, yung iba more pwedeng physically and yung iba pwedeng financially, pagdating sa family, ano bang mas maganda para mas mag-grow pa ito? For what I can see here, you are surrendering or inaalis mo itong mga bagay na hindi nakakapagpaganda sa'yo. Okay? Inaalis mo yung mga kaugalian, attitude, mga tao na tingin mong hindi mo deserve, na nakakapagpapangit sa'yo. You are seeing them like a person na once na dumating sa buhay mo pero wala naman ako napapala sa'yo, hindi naman ako nag-grow. Bagkos marami pa nga nawawala sa akin dahil sa'yo. And I should, push you away or alisin kita. No, katulad nito, kung makikita mo yung picture dito, it's like a woman full of paint or maybe makeup na hindi nakakaganda para sa kanya. And this is signifying change, yan. Especially the mouth is with a butterfly here, you do have here change. So, may mga pagbabago sa the way you speak, the way you maybe clean yourself, you're cleaning yourself, the way you talk to people. Ayan, may mga pagbabago dyan. And more on stability, yung iba sa inyo. Kung hindi man physical changes, spiritual changes or inner changes ang ginagawa mo, pwedeng with regards sa mga tao sa paligid mo, or yun nga, kung ano pa yung mas makakapagpaganda para sa'yo. So, with regards to your person, sino tong person na nakakonect mo? Libra. Person na nakakonect ni Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Isang na lang shuffle, guys. Nakikita ko itong thoughts na ito as a Queen of Swords energy. So, maybe you do have a Queen of Swords or you are the Queen of Swords. Yung Queen of Swords is, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And this is you cutting off itong mga bagay na hindi nakakabuti, nakakatulong para sa'yo. Yung iba kusa kahit hindi mo sila i-cut off or hindi mo alisin ito sa sarili mo, kusang mawawala kasi parang hindi talaga makakabuti para sa'yo. So maybe the universe is the one making these changes for you. So if you would notice, a lot of endings ang nangyayari or nangyari na ng mga nakaraan, ang daming endings na nangyari sa'yo in order for you na makapag-focus ka dun sa growth and also at the new, dito sa mga new beginnings, no? May maraming endings na nangyayari or nangyari na. So energy naman ng person mo, nakakonect ni Libra. Please, kakonect ni Libra. Yung iba, bibigyan ka na ng example. For example, lagi kang may binibili sa online shop or what, na something, na maybe it's for some of you, maybe vitamins or gamot, no? For whatever, kung ano man, maybe yung iba pang diet. And then, na-realize mo, bakit parang nawala na yung binibili ko? Bakit hindi na siya available? Bakit wala na ganito, ganyan? And then, tendency is that, hindi man ikaw yung nag-alis nun, kasi masama pala ang effect nun sa'yo, but the universe, siya yung gumawa ng paraan na tanggalin ito sa'yo. Okay? That is some of the changes na pwedeng hindi ikaw yung gumawa, but rather, yung universe na mismo. Okay? And might be yung iba, mga tao, example, employees mo na umaalis or umalis, maybe because hindi mo naman talaga deserve itong mga taong to sa buhay mo. You need to make changes for yourself. You do have your guilt and epiphany. Okay, this person is really guilty of something. Nakikita natin na meron siyang mga nare-realize ngayon, especially with the epiphany, breakthrough, and guilt. Now, at the bottom of the deck is the rebirth. And this person wants to have a rebirth or new beginning with you. Like, kung ano man yung nag-end, parang gusto niya ayusin, and this time magiging mas okay. Di ba? Parang ganun. This person is guilty sa mga itinago niya sa'yo, and I feel like yung iba, alam mo naman yon, or pwedeng nararamdaman mo naman na itong mga itinatago na ito ay totoo. Okay? Ano ba emotion mo patungkol sa person na ito, Libras? Emotion mo para sa mga taong ito, spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here the North Node, and that is a cosmic with a purpose. And you do have here present moment, abundant gratitude. Kahit pa paano, yung iba sa inyo, may pasasalamat pa rin na nakilala mo tong taong to. No? Na kahit pa paano dumating siya sa buhay mo. This person really do love you with the Ace of Water or Ace of Cups. Yan, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So, that is love. Mahal ka nitong taong ito. With the feminine, pwedeng, this is a very emotional card. And with the self-worth and expectations, for some of you, pwedeng naging makasarili kasi itong person na to. Inisip niya yung sarili niya, kaya naging ganun siya. And then, ikaw naman ngayon is currently focusing on money, career, and kung ano, yung purpose mo. Yung iba, you're focusing on your purpose, you're focusing on your career, you're focusing on the present moment. Hindi ka para, there's another card here na nakataob, so we will read this. You do have here nostalgia and memories. So might be this person could be someone in the past, pero katulad nga ng memories, hindi mo yun malilimutan basta-basta, no? Pero hindi mo na pinipilit, or maaaring hindi mo na pinipilit balikan, or hindi mo na gustong balikan. O yung iba, focus mo talaga is the present moment, okay? And this person is always thinking about you. No? Ayaw niyang isipin ka, pero naiisip niya kasi yung mga nangyari sa inyo, yung mga ginawa niya, what will happen in the future for you, Libra. You do have here the stability. I really do like this card, guys. It's stability. It's good flow of money, career. And you do have here closed off, guarded, and resistance. Okay, kung ano man yung mga kino-close mo dito or gina-guard mo sa sarili mo, it is the separation. So, it might be yung separation sa inyo is like, ngayon nilalagyan mo ng boundaries, or in the future lalagyan mo ng boundaries, or ikaw ito na parang medyo magmamatigas dito sa connection or union with this person, because this is you focusing on your stability. This is you na mas ginagalingan mo pagdating sa buhay mo, sa career mo, kasi hindi mo iniisip na nandyan pa yung taong ito lagi para sa'yo. For what I can see here, you are focusing on this world na parang feeling mo, hindi, kinaya ko nang wala siya, kakayanin ko nang wala siya. Okay, that's your energy. So what will happen in the near future for your person? Hindi ko to kukunin masyadong marami, but I just saw the card of action. So definitely there's an action na gagawin itong person nito. And what is that? You do have your storm. Okay, sorry about that. So it's something na kinokontrol ng person mo, which is something na mag-end. So definitely itong person nito will try to end this. And ano yun, yung itatry niyang i-end. It is the you do have your strength. And sorry about that. Kasi tumunog yung speaker na matagal nang hindi china-charge dito sa stock room. I'm actually at dito sa aming stock room sa aking restaurant. But anyway, never mind that. It's just, may Mercury retrograde ngayon. And one of the effect is that may mga pagloloko talaga ng mga electronics or technology or ilaw. Yan, pagdating ng Mercury retrograde. So, nag-on siya, which is matagal lang sira po yung speaker na yun. Matagal lang hindi siya na-charge, naka-stuck na lang, and nagulat din ako. But anyway, it's not something na dapat ako mabother because I know, I can feel, and I don't feel anything. What I know is that today, or actually hanggang April 24 pa yung Mercury retrograde. So expect na yung mga technology ninyo magkakaroon din ng mga ganyan, mga pagloloko. And yeah, back to the reading. In the future, there's this bagay na i-end ng person mo, and I feel like it has something to do with pagkokontrol ng kanyang emotions and or mga actions. Okay, you do have here belief, and mababago yung paniniwala nitong person na ito. Some of you, something na mag-e-end dito sa person nito is yung bagay na nagpasaya, minsan nang nagpasaya sa kanya, nagpaligaya. And I feel like this person is going to have some kind of commitment, or may ipis. Eto, hindi ko kayang tiisin. Wait lang. Okay, sorry about that. Kasi may ipis lang po doon sa may bintana. So medyo kinabahan ako na baka pumasok siya. Anyway, there's this until death tear us apart. So, yeah, nakakita tayo ng commitment dito. And I feel like your person, pwedeng mag-take siya ng actions, and I can feel like some of you may kinalaman dito sa contracts, commitment, something na, or some of you pwedeng bumalik to, yung iba pwedeng literal divorce, divorce paper, or, anything to do with kontrata. So, be careful na kung babalik siya ng wala pang April 25, because April 1 hanggang April 24, yan po yung Mercury retrograde na nararanasan natin ngayon. Kaya nga na-explain ko kanina, may mga faulty or mga problema regard sa technology. So, apektado rin dito guys yung anong tawag dito? Yung communication natin. So, pwedeng i-check mo mabuti yung mga files bago ka pumirma. Basahin mo ng 100 times at sure ka dapat sa pipirmahan mo. So, ayun. Thank you very much for watching guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.